Tax refund update 2024. We have the latest numbers. We have the next direct deposit date shared. We have delayed tax refunds and much, much more. So make sure you stay tuned and welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Now, the Where is My Refund tool, you can check the status 24 hours after you e-file your 2023 tax return, 3 to 4 days after you file a past due tax return, and 4 weeks after you file a paper return. They are currently processing tax returns received February of 2024 and amended returns received September of 2023. So if you filed in January, make sure you're checking the status of your tax return by calling the IRS. Make sure you're checking your transcripts. You can also contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service, and we will have all of those numbers at the end of the video. Now, in terms of letters and notices, they are currently processing your correspondence. Individual correspondence received December of 2023. Now, in terms of the numbers updated March 1st, 2024, delayed tax refunds, the IRS is reporting that they did start the 2024 tax season late compared to 2023. In 2023, they started January 23rd. This tax season, they started January 29th, and they are stating that there was a loss of 7 days. Therefore, they are behind this 24 tax season. Total returns received so far, 54,030,000. Total refunds so far, 36,288,000. As you can see, that is a smaller number than 2023. At this time in 2023, they had 42,040,000 total refunds, and the total refunds issued in dollars, $115 billion so far, and the average refund, it states, is $3,182. Now, understanding your IRS notice or letter. Let's go over possible reasons why the IRS may be sending you a notice or a letter. You have a balance due. You are due a larger or smaller refund. They made corrections to your tax return. They have a question about your tax return. You need to verify your identity. They need additional information, maybe W-2s, as well as they change your return. And finally, to notify you in delays in processing your tax return. That will be your 30 and 60-day notices. Also, make sure you are responding to the notices by the specific dates listed in those particular notices. If you don't understand something in the letter, you can contact the IRS. The letter will have a specific number for you to respond. And if you disagree with any action that the IRS has taken, call the IRS to discuss it. You can also dispute any action taken within 30 days. In terms of identity verification, once you complete the identity verification, which is a two-step process, remember you must verify yourself first, and then you must verify your tax return. If you do not complete both steps, the identity verification process has not been completed. Make sure to check out the identity verification videos. I will pin them in the comments as well as in the description box. It can take up to 9 weeks to get your tax refund. Now, the next direct deposit date shared is 8/46, refund issued March 20th, 2024. Make sure you are checking your IRS online transcript to see if you have a next direct deposit date. And of course, don't forget to share your dates with your fellow taxpayers in the comments. And if the IRS is mailing you your tax refund, the mail date is March 15th. If you're unable to access the Where is My Refund tool online, you can also call the IRS automated refund hotlines, and the number is 1-800-829-1954 for the regular tax refunds. For the amended tax refunds, 866-464-2050. Now you can call the IRS directly as well to speak to a representative at 1-800-829-1040. The average wait time is 11 minutes, and Mondays and Tuesdays are the reported days for high call volumes. If you need to schedule an IRS appointment, you can call 844-545-5640. The Taxpayer Advocate Service can help you with hardships. They can help you resolve other issues, and you can reach them at 1-877-777-4778. Let's recap the Saturday hours for March 16, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can walk into these IRS locations, verify your identity, ask other tax questions, resolve other issues. And we have Alaska, Arizona, California, Colorado, Connecticut, District of Columbia, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Louisiana, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Mississippi, Missouri, Nevada, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Puerto Rico, South Dakota, and you have Texas. We have Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, and Wyoming. That brings us to the end of this week's 2024 tax refund update. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2024 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.